Howdy y'all, it's Seth, and we don't normally see snow around these parts here. We get a little bit, like less than an inch at a time, and it's usually all melted off by morning. But we are in the middle of the Tennessee deep freeze, as you've probably seen on the news. The whole state has gotten some snow. We were supposed to get 3 to 6 inches, and it's still coming down. Unfortunately, got a little bit warm yesterday afternoon and started raining on top of the snow, so I'm not really sure what we've got in total. Maybe 3 to 6 inches of total precipitation, but not really sure what where we have now, because it would probably be about 3 inches of snow, but then it kind of got wet and melted. Now it's got that crusty ice top to it. But I'm enjoying it, and I figured I would just check in with a relatively easy video of my Tennessee snow day. No snow angels, because like I said, it rained and it's all crusty and nasty. But just a little bit of goofiness, me, the dogs, the drone, and whatever I felt like doing out here in the snow. So I'm going to share that with you, and hope you enjoy it. And I hope you like Blue Raspberry, because that will make an appearance here very soon. This is our second snowfall this year in Tennessee, but it's our first big snowfall. This may actually be the most snow we've gotten in 5 years, which means only one thing. It's snow cone time. Yeah, that's right. We're gonna do this the proper way, with a scoop, a cone, right here. Pack that guy in. And of course, no snow cone would be complete without flavors. We opt for anything but yellow today. That's right, today's flavor is blue raspberry. Because when it's 28 degrees outside and it's winter time and it's snowing, nothing, and I mean nothing, is more delightful and refreshing than more cold. So we're just gonna pour that right over the top there, right down my hand, because that's just the way I am. It'll probably freeze to me, which is fine, because now I have a popsicle too. And now, we reach in for pocket spoons, and it's go time. Or should I say, snow time. See you on the next one. Happy trails.